In this video, we are going to see how we can set a default audience in Facebook post. So if you want to set the default audience to either private, either share with some of the friends or public, here's how you can do it. First of all, just go to the top right hand corner on the profile icon and click here. Click on settings and privacy and click on the settings. And on the left hand side, you can see this tools and resources section. Just go ahead and click on the default audience settings. Now it's your choice if you want to set all of your posts as public. You can do that. So any post that you do on Facebook will be public. You can set it only to your friends, and also you can set it to your custom settings. You manually choose who can see your share and interact with your public content. So if we click next, so here after the custom settings, you can adjust basically all of your settings. Who can see your future post? If it is only friends, you can set it to friends. Who can see your stories? It's sent to friends, but if you want, you can set it to public. And basically we can customize each and every comment and other settings. Who can comment on your public post? It should be public, and all of these settings can be done. Click on done. And it says default audience updated. Click on done. And that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.